Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Copilot in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have data. So here you can see I have a order ID, date, customer name, product and quantity and total price also. So I just go to the home tab and click on the Copilot option and you can see the right hand side Copilot here showing. So I enter here one question. So I just enter here. So I just enter here what are my three best product by sales amount. Okay, and just click on send and wait for the few seconds. The Copilot generate the answer. Okay, and it's done. Here you can top three in product by total price, the product list and total price amount and grand total here mentioned. If you want to add this data in new sheet, simply click on it add to new sheet. See the new sheet is added with this data. Okay, and here some suggested question also showing the Copilot which products have the lowest total sales amount and show the top 5 products by total sales amount. Simply click on it and you can ask again to Copilot. Okay, and if you want to check the more suggested question, just click on the refresh option. You can see these are the refresh. When I click on the refresh, this question will change. See, I just click on see now what is the average sales amount per product. Again I click show the total sales amount for each product category. Again I click see the suggested question will change. So you can, if you want to check the more suggested question, you can click on the refresh and you can check and just simply click on the question and you can generate your answer from Copilot. Wait for the few seconds again and it's done. Here you can see same as here also showing the lowest total sales amount, only the one product. Okay, and here again you see the suggested question also showing. Okay, if you want to add this, just click on the add a new sheet and the new sheet as added with this data. Okay, so this is a way you can use this Copilot with Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.